This unboxing video is for the Gear 4 Crystal Palace case. This is made for the Google Pixel 5, and as you can see through this opening in the packaging, it's the clear variant. So let's talk about some of the features of the case. You've got a 4-meter drop protection with D30 technology built in, which is in essence impact technology. It's a slim design, so it's not one of those chunky type cases that offers loads of protection but loads of extra width to the handset when you're using it. It's a slim design. It's made from recycled materials, and also it's got antibacterial treatment as well, which is really handy to know in this day and age. Now on the side you've got the name of the case, you've got that replicated on the top there and which phone it's for. On the side you've got branding, and on the bottom you've got the barcode as well as information about the product. Now on the back, loads more information, but I just wanted to draw your attention to the fact that it's anti-yellowing, which means it won't go yellow over time and it will stay clear. You've got the wireless charging capability, so you can use this with your Pixel 5 and a wireless charger, which is handy because those are really handy features to be able to use on a phone through the case. You've got a limited warranty. It needs to be purchased from an authorized dealer, and also you would need to show proof of purchase from that authorized dealer if you ever needed to claim on it. And you've got the hologram indicating it's an authentic product. Can't go wrong with a hologram. Now on the inside you've got the case. Let's get rid of the box. And when you open it up, it's a clear case, but it is very well made. It's robust, and you've got all the cutouts that you need for the camera and the fingerprint sensor, speakers, microphone, charging point, and also the buttons look like they would be well protected on the inside of there as well. The edges are a little bit more flexible to be able to put the case into it, but let's give that a go now. Let's see if we can pop the case into that. And it fits in quite snugly, as you can see there. It seems to fit very well. The camera hump it's not raised over the case, so again that offers a bit of protection. The fingerprint sensor is well cut out, so you've got enough space to reach the fingerprint sensor. The buttons, you can still click the buttons really nicely. And all of the points for charging are exposed, so you'll be able to put your charger in there really easily. So that was the unboxing of the Gear 4 Crystal Palace case. Thank you very much for watching.